You are welcome to QHSC department. In Danelec Limited, we take safety very seriously. That is why you see that our motto is safety first and quality. We believe that when you work safe today, you live to work another day. In that way, safety keeps your life. Then we also believe that quality keeps your job. How? Because when you buy a quality material today, you come back tomorrow to patronize me. Today we don't intend to do fire drill. So in case if you hear any fire alarm, please don't rush. Just quickly walk to the muster point. You have one at the incoming gate, one at the outgoing gate, then you have two at the Plangeria workshop and Tetis Plangeria workshop. So when you get to our warehouse, we have our safety personnel in case you need them. So please you quickly fill this induction form for me. So as you go, you ensure that you walk safely or otherwise don't. Thank you.
You just bought, and you also need this silica gel for the installation.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your presence. Thanks for your patronage. I expect to see you some other time. We are assuring you that our transformers of quality. You can test that for yourself. So in case of any feedback, in case of any troubles, you can get back to us, and we can also get back to you. Our warranty is a period of 1 year. We are afraid that everything is going to go on fine. So in case of anything, you can reach us. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
This is Personnel Department of Danelec Limited. We have qualified and highly motivated workforce in our service. We give back to the society through capacity building to our host communities. We also donated recently furniture equipment to the Rebisi Youth Foundation in the upgrade of their secretariat. We also donated a modern ICT laboratory to the Rivers State University and also Federal University of Technology, Owerri. We also donated a modern library to the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Port Harcourt, and also a modern ICT center for the Rumochole community, also here in Port Harcourt.
This is Accounts Department. Here we ensure that all financial transactions of the company are correctly recorded and kept, both in the hard copies and the soft copies. Based on our peculiar budgetary system, we ensure that our financial obligation to our customers are met as at when due, knowing fully well that customer satisfaction is key to survival of any business and growth of any business. And to ensure efficiency in our department, we have an accounting software called QuickBooks. As the name implies, it is quick.
information and communication technology is one tool that is used to drive businesses. In Danelec Limited, our staff are ICT compliant and they are trained and retrained to use ICT, the information and communication technology, to do their work seamlessly wherever they are. The company is ICT compliant.
This is Danelec Limited Purchasing and Logistics Department. Here we ensure that all materials procured for projects meets the customer demand and thereby satisfying my internal customer and external customer.
This Danelec Limited Project Department, we provide, we have track record of performance in electrical and electronics engineering, construction and services. We provide quality, reliable, and innovative solutions to our customers. Our customers include you as individuals, communities, corporate bodies, government at local, state, and federal levels.
Local content is a unit in Danelec Limited that ensures that all our activities in Danelec Limited is in compliance with the Local Content, Nigerian Content Act. This we do by ensuring that all our activities are done, our materials, our labor are sourced locally. In cases where we don't have the sufficient manpower, we send our staff on training to ensure that they are updated with the recent trend in our company, in our affairs, even the companies we deal with local companies around to source for our materials for jobs. That's mostly what local content does.
The Business Development Department is responsible for identifying, securing, and managing relationships that will foster the growth of the company. The Business Development Department creates relationships by meeting with prospective clients in events, exhibitions, conferences. We also source for contracts by getting tenders and through visitations. The Business Development Department also nurtures relationships by effective follow-up.
This is Maintenance Department. We carry out after-sales support services to our customers to demonstrate our commitment to customer satisfaction and strengthen our bond between our organization and the customer.
This is the store department of Danelec Limited. As a service delivery organization, we have materials here that aids our operation. Over there we have lamps and holders for industrial use. And what we have here is a panel for solar power. These panels, they are used to power industrial areas, streets, even communities. And then to ensure that our job is efficiently and accurately done, we conform to the international standard, and we are licensed, we are certified, an ISO certified company. That is why our qualities are in order. Here we have the finished product of our pump. As shown earlier, this pump fully manufactured here and maintained to international standard specification.
The pump manufacturing section, we actually manufacture submersible water pumps. And these are some of the components that are used for manufacturing. This is a pump. This 1.5 horsepower pump. And the unique thing about our pumps is that they comply to international electrotechnical condition standard. And our pumps are insulated using transformer oil to cool the electric motor embedded in the pump so that it can effectively run without any heat. Because insulation resistance is one of the paramount things that should be considered in anything that have a component to do with coils. So that's exactly what we do. They are ISO compliant, we are ISO certified company, and then we do anything to ensure that our standards are not
Danelec Limited is an electrical electronic engineering company that is focused in engineering, procurement and construction work in electrical electronics. Has been established in 1992 and since the inception has carried out several projects that in that field, that is our specialization, and with different clients that is going from federal government ministry, oil company, private enterprises, state of the federation, various ministry, and local government. As I said, what we are focusing in quality. Quality is essential for us, and not for that reason we have been certified as a company ISO 9001-2015. That is the latest in the world. Again, on it, that quality is very essential for us. We have even registered with SON, with the NEMSA, that is the organization for supervise all the electronic jobs, with Nigeria Society of Engineers company fair, with the MAN Manufacturing Association of Nigeria. We have even one section to produce some electrical component manufacture, and with the ASEN, that is the Association of Consultant Engineers in Nigeria, just covering that consulting aspect. We believe mostly in training of our staff. Our staff has to be basically trained, because when you can train and you inculcate the capacity building in your people, you can even get the best to carry out an appropriate work. And we believe in local content. Local content is not essential things that we never compromise. In fact, Danelec Limited has 100% local content in terms of all its own staff. We are part of a Comet group of company, a Nigerian group of enterprises that totaling 8, that spacing from shipping, port management, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, manufacturing, food importation, diving and supply vessel, and fishing. The group is focusing in local content, quality and safety. Finally, we want to do better, and to do better is just rely with your client. Satisfaction of the client is paramount for us, and to achieve that, any suggestion, embrace, and even making sure that advice, that suggestion, making our service and work better. So we are ready for any improvement that can make anything, our people and our work better to the final result.